Allie from Beast Robotics, and today we will be inflating balloons with chemistry. For this experiment, you will need vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, a measuring cup, a teaspoon, a balloon, an empty plastic bottle, and a funnel if you have one. If you don't, we'll show you how to make a paper funnel with paper and tape. And as with any chemistry experiment, it's always a good idea to wear safety glasses. Here's how you make a paper funnel. The first step is to measure out 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. Next, you're going to pour that into the empty plastic bottle. Lastly, you're going to add 3 drops of whatever color of food coloring you chose. Next, you're going to put baking soda into the balloon. First, take your funnel and put it in the top of the balloon. Next, you're going to measure out 2 teaspoons. And put them through the funnel into the balloon. If the baking soda gets stuck, tap the sides of the funnel to make it go into the balloon. Next, you're going to put the balloon onto the top of the plastic bottle without pouring any of the baking soda in. Just let the balloon with the baking soda hang over the side while you attach it to the top. Write down your hypothesis. What do you think is going to happen when the baking soda gets poured into the vinegar? Then, carefully pick up the balloon and pour the baking soda into the bottle. The balloon inflates all by itself. How cool is that? So why did this happen? You just witnessed what is called a chemical reaction, when 2 things made up of elements mix together and the elements rearrange to form something new. Vinegar is also known as acetic acid, and baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. The carbon in the sodium bicarbonate mixes with the oxygen in the acetic acid to create carbon dioxide gas as well as some other products. The carbon dioxide gas is what inflates the balloon. Joining us. Be sure to tag us on social media with the hashtag BeastStemCamp and check in next time for another awesome experiment.